How to delete a sent snap on Snapchat. For this, open Snapchat and make sure you are logged in. Now swipe right from the camera screen to access your chats. Here you can find all your chats. Now find and locate the chat or conversation where you send the snap you want to delete. Open it. Now tap and hold the sent snaps. A menu will pop up. If the snap hasn't been opened yet, you will see the delete option. Now click on delete, and Snapchat will attempt to delete the snap from both your chat and the recipients. Tap on OK and tap on delete. You need to keep in mind, if the snap has already been opened or screenshotted, it's too late, and if your connection is bad, deletion may not be instant. You need to act fast and you might just save yourself from a snap step up. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more tips, and comment below with your Snapchat questions. Thank you for watching.